Your space might already look good, but somehow it still doesn't feel expensive. Look around for a second. Does it feel flat, a bit random, or like something is missing even though you've already added decor? The mistake isn't that you need more pieces, it's how you're using them. In this video, we're going to break down decor hacks that look expensive, but actually aren't. Stay until the end so you can see how these adjustments can change how your space feels and functions. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Decor hack number 1, wall panels or fluted boards. At first, your wall might seem fine, especially if you already have decor placed on it. But when you step back, you might notice it still feels plain and lacks visual depth. So your walls might look okay at first glance, but they still feel flat and a bit lifeless when you really look at them. The mistake is relying on surface-level decoration, like multiple wall pieces, instead of fixing the wall itself. That's why it looks busy but not refined. So here's what works better. You can add wood slats to create a clear feature. Instead of spreading decor across the wall, you concentrate the design in one vertical section, like beside or behind the TV. This adds depth, texture, and shadow, which instantly makes the space feel more architectural. You don't need to cover the entire wall. Even a single vertical panel section already creates strong visual impact. Just keep the spacing consistent and avoid making the slats too thin or too crowded. When done right, it removes visual clutter and replaces it with a clean, intentional focal point. That's what makes it look more expensive. Decor hack number 2, large art versus many small frames. Your wall might already be filled, but it still feels busy and unbalanced. Instead of creating a focal point, your eyes keep moving from one piece to another without really settling. This makes the wall feel visually busy, even if each piece looks good on its own. The mistake is using too many small frames. Even if each piece looks good, together they compete for attention and create visual clutter. So here's what works better. Replace the gallery wall with one large artwork. This instantly creates a single clear focal point and calms the entire space. Position it centered above the sofa so everything feels aligned and intentional. As a guide, your artwork should be around 2/3 the width of your furniture. Instead of many pieces fighting for attention, one strong piece anchors the wall, and that's what makes it look clean, balanced, and more expensive. Decor hack number 3, add lighting to your display cabinet. Your cabinet might look solid, but it can feel dark and a bit heavy. The mistake is leaving it unlit. Without lighting, the glass cabinet blends into the wall and the items inside don't stand out. It ends up looking heavy, dark, and blends too much into the wall, especially when surrounding elements already have better lighting. Even if you have nice materials or decor pieces inside, they don't stand out because there's no light to highlight them. So here's what works better. Add LED strip lighting inside the cabinet and along key edges of the TV wall. This highlights your display pieces and creates a soft glow behind the TV panel, adding depth instead of flatness. Stick to warm white so it blends with the wood tones and keeps the space cozy. With lighting, the cabinet feels lighter, more refined, and instantly more high-end. Decor hack number 4, floor-to-ceiling curtains. Your window might be decent in size, but it still looks smaller than it actually is. You might also notice that the wall feels cut off. Because of this, the height of the space feels limited, and the entire wall looks shorter than it should be. The mistake is installing curtains only within the window width and just above the frame. This breaks the wall visually and makes the opening feel narrow and boxed in. So here's what works better. Go for floor-to-ceiling curtains and extend them wall to wall. Mount the curtain track higher, closer to the ceiling, and let the fabric run across the full width, not just the window. You can layer sheer curtains in the middle with heavier drapes on both sides for a more finished look. This stretches both the height and width of the wall, making the space feel larger, softer, and more refined. Instead of highlighting just the window, you turn the entire wall into a feature, and that's what makes it feel more high-end. Decor hack number 5. Use a large mirror to expand the space. This area might already have wall decor, but it still feels a bit scattered and lacks impact. You might notice that even with decor, the space still feels tight or slightly dim, especially during the day. There's no strong reflection or visual expansion happening, so the area feels smaller than it actually is. The mistake is using multiple small mirrors or decorative pieces. Instead of expanding the space, they break it up visually. So here's what works better. Replace them with one large mirror above the console. This creates a clean, vertical focal point and instantly makes the setup feel more intentional. Position it where it can reflect light or a nice view so it adds brightness and depth to the space. Instead of many small reflections, one large mirror visually doubles the area and makes it feel more open. When done right, it simplifies the wall while making the space feel bigger and more refined. Decor hack number 6. Use oversized rugs, not small ones. Your space might feel disconnected, even if your furniture looks good. You might also notice that the seating area doesn't feel grounded, like each piece is floating on its own. Even with a rug present, the layout still feels incomplete because it doesn't visually connect the furniture together. The mistake is using a rug that's too small. It sits in the center while your furniture stays outside it, making everything feel separate. So here's what works better. Switch to a larger area rug that extends beyond the coffee table and reaches under your sofa and chair. This allows your main pieces to sit partly or fully on the rug, visually tying everything together. Instead of a floating rug, you create a defined zone that anchors the entire seating area. This makes the layout feel more cohesive, balanced, and intentionally designed, which is what gives it that expensive look. This is how your space transforms when you apply these decor hacks that look expensive but aren't. The walls feel more defined, the space feels more balanced, lighting adds warmth, and every element starts to feel intentional instead of random. It's not about expensive upgrades or major renovations, but about making smarter design decisions that improve how your space looks, feels, and functions every day. Nothing feels cluttered, but everything works. And that's what makes a space feel truly high-end. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.